So awkward. You know when you get to the bottom of the cereal and there's just a bunch of powder? I don't have milk. You know how your emotional, what do you call it? Your emotional state of mind is what constructs your perception of reality. That's gonna sound so fucking weird, but like, it's like you customize your environment and you customize your life based on the attitude to which you are like. I'm not trying to reduce this down to like attitude is everything, but I woke up today at 11. These days, I have not been waking up when my alarm tells me to wake up. And so I usually start the day with this sense of self-sabotage, defeat. I don't know what the right word is. But also, that kind of just leads into hyper optimization, where now I'm looking for things to improve on so that I'm actually really running away from the root cause of my problems. And the human brain really doesn't like unsolved problems, or at least my brain doesn't like unsolved problems. I want to think that I can be okay with something not having the answers to everything, but my behavior shows that that is a very painful situation to be in. It's like I could be doing anything right now, but this is what I'm doing. And realizing that a lot of this fear of time running out is really just a fear of death. So, like, you know, wake up late, and then the first thing I did was eat. I didn't even want to get out of bed, but then I was hungry, so it was just, yeah, I ate something, and then now I'm here. But the existential dread does not set in, it comes up. I don't know. I watched too much Dr. K this morning. I was just sitting on my yoga mat stretching, staring at the ceiling, and being fully aware that I was running away from my homework assignments by just sitting there and stretching, and I could have gone to the gym instead with the same amount of time, but I was like, no, I don't want to go outside in the cold. I'm not berating myself, I'm just reflecting on my decisions for this morning. I still need to wash up. I haven't made my bed yet. Circling back to attitude is everything. This weekend is going to be restorative, it's going to be reflective, it's going to be time for me to catch up on some things that I missed during the week. It's going to be time for me to reset my intentions for how I want the next week to look. There's going to be some spontaneity involved. I'm going to be okay with being more flexible. I think what happened last week was I spiraled a bit. Is spiral the right word? Am I being fair to myself there? Well, last week was a little rough. And it was like that. If I look back on like the history of my patterns, it was like that because I didn't use my weekend in a way that was restful or in a way that primed my system for the week coming up. Like I could be outside right now. I'm in my dorm. I could put on my jacket and go for a walk, but then that feels like I'm just avoiding my assignments. So then I don't go outside, but then I don't go outside and then I'm unhappy and then I'm staring at my computer. Like, what am I doing? Moral of the story is just wake up earlier.